Welcome back to Solidity tutorial series. In this video, we are going to cover one of the fundamentals of smart contract programming, primitive data types in Solidity. Let's jump into the code. We're creating a smart contract called Premitive to help you understand how these basic types work. Boolean. Boolean can be either true or false. In our case, it's set to true. Uint stands for unsigned integer, which means it can only be a non-negative numbers. Solidity supports different sizes. Uint age ranges from 0 to 255. Uint 255 goes all the way up to 2 power 56 minus 1. And just writing uint in the sum as uint 256. Signed integers. Int stands for signed integers, which means it can be positive or negative. Size vary from int 8 to int 256. Here we're declared value including a negative one. Minimum and maximum of int 256. This is min and maximum. We can also get the minimum and maximum possible values from a given type using type, min and maximum. Ethereum address type. The address type is used to store Ethereum address like the one you'd use for sending or receiving Ether. Bytes. In Solidity, bytes is used to store raw binary data. There are big-sized arrays like bytes 1, bytes 2, and so on, and dynamic sizes. Arrays just called bytes, which are more flexible. In this example, we're using bytes 1 to store a single byte each. Default value. When variables aren't expectedly initialized, Solidity gives them default values. Boolean defaults to false, integers defaults to 0, addresses defaults to 0x000000. This helps avoid undefined behavior in your contracts. And that's your quick overview of primitive data types in Solidity. I can run it. This is the result of the contract. Okay. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.